Gold features. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We're approaching to positive MACD. As we extend that to the 4 hour chart, we remain in negative MACD, seeing signs of a converge. And as we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My trade position size for this lesson: 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $169.19. My sell target is at $176.61. My stop loss is at $166.28. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $179 or $178.07, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $172.16, and my stop loss is at $181.13. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold features as a 56% chance to climb between 0 to 3%, 11% chance to climb between 3 to 5%, to the downside a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.